All right, we are done. Let's see. I left this bit here because all the electrical's there and those pieces will not come out. And I'd rather do that when you get here and do that with something besides this, because the last thing I want is to increase the scope of work. So I left like 5 little boards hanging off, because yeah, that's where they just won't come off. Like they're really on there. I don't know what's holding them in, but I was wiggling when I was just worried that I'd accidentally cut or damage these cables underneath. So I think they actually, oh, see, I think they might have drilled holes and then the cables went through. So we might need to cut those boards somehow to do that properly. But yeah, that's pretty much it. The rest of it, you know, just so we know, I was hoping we could just take all this onto the truck, but we might have to take a load to the dump and then come back and then pick this up and put the rest in the truck, because I don't know if that's 1 truckload, and I don't even know if we could lift that. But anyways, that's it. All right, see you, Dad. Bye.